you trying to find a company idea that would allow you to prosper in the thriving Canadian economy? You're in the right place. To help you launch your own company in Canada, we've compiled a list of the best business concepts. 1. Customized style and shopping services. 2. Services for web development and design. 3. Legal services provided online. 4. Platform for social media influencer marketing. 5. Tailored corporate gift services. 6. The food truck industry. 7. Services for developing mobile apps. 8. Studio for fitness and well-being. 9. Online training courses and coaching. 10. A branding and graphic design firm. 11. Marketplace for crafts and art. 12. Shop for personalized gifts. 13. Online retailer of furnishings and decor. 14. Services for renting out events. 15. Services for organizing weddings. 16. Store selling specialty foods and drinks. 17. Services for virtual reality entertainment. 18. A platform for online learning. 19. On-the-go bicycle maintenance. 20. Notary services on the go. Keep in mind, some of these business concepts might need licenses, permits, or other regulatory requirements in Canada. Starting any firm requires a careful look at all relevant legislation and adherence to them. Before launching any of these businesses, make sure to draft a solid business strategy.